Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Park level, engage the brake, and open the front trunk to access the headlight area. First, remove the small trim and plastic access cover using a T25. This exposes the adjustment screws and main connector. Once done, disconnect the battery if you'll remove bulbs, otherwise leave electronics intact. You're doing this to prevent accidental movement and to clearly see the vertical and horizontal adjusters. Make sure the car faces a flat wall, about 10 meters away for alignment check. Now locate the vertical and horizontal adjusters on the Mk7 Gti headlight assembly. One alters tilt and the other shifts left-right. Measure from the headlight center to the ground and transfer that height to the wall. Mark a center line and left-right reference. With the car straight, turn the vertical adjuster in small increments, about 1/4 turns, and watch the cutoff line hit your marks. You're making fine adjustments to avoid overcorrection, so wait after each tweak to let the light settle before measuring. Finish by setting the headlight cutoff a bit below the wall mark according to local regulations, then compare left and right to ensure symmetry. Make tiny corrections until both match. Once satisfied, tighten the lock screws, reinstall any covers, and lower the car from jacks or finish steering straight for a brief test drive in the dark to validate real-world aim. If the beam won't move, check the electrical connector, replace a burned fuse, and inspect the adjuster motor for binding before reattempting adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.